I think it's on, Uncle Al. Boys and girls, I'm Uni. And I'm, the Republican side. Yes, and I'm the happy Democrat socialist. Yeehaw! Go AOC. Okay, enough comedy, kids. Uncle Alan's tired and I gotta do this fast. Tonight, Monday night at 6:30, I think. Mountain Time is just in time prepping with Little Russell. Please stop by and check out our live stream. It's a very good live stream. We are going to do ECD Everyday Carry food rations. Sorry about the hair. I usually wear a hat. Uncle Alan's been working since 4:30 this morning. I've been canning things. Excuse me. Try not to vomit. I've been canning things. I can a lot of things. I do glass and metal. And also, Uncle Alan's mean as hell. A lot of you kids haven't fought drunken Marines or drunken Koreans. Lord, I don't want to never do that again. Uncle Alan's tired, beat up, and sick as hell. Now, I did peach jam. I used up most of my jam jars. I got 2 fig jams in this size jar. Most of my fig jams I already got in pints and jelly jars, and I'm kind of tired. Now, trying to find the thing. Please check out this channel, and right down there is DOI Solar underneath Imagination. Magnify the Imagination by Reed's channel. Okay, remember that. DOI Solar Homestead. Okay? Oh, God. Uncle Alan's tired. Now, I also do some fresh pickling. This is ready to eat. I use a hot vinegar and sugar brine. It has sliced cucumbers, cauliflowers, peppers from the garden. Yeah, peppers from the garden, cucumbers from the garden. I got the cauliflower from Whole Foods Organic. Yes, Uncle Alan pickles stuff. Now, right now, I had to do a big order of pickled cow's tongue and pickled goat's tongue for my Muslim friends. Yo. Okay. Now, it's a good canning operation and it made me money. I'm still short. I still need $226 because my bloody car registration went from $75 and up. Thank you, Democrats. I gotta drink a little bit. I'm sorry, kids. Okay, your level of survival skills, prepping skills, bushcrafting skills. Uncle Alan's level, everybody else is in the middle. All right? I'm tired. I'm pissed. I've been up since 4:30. Okay? I haven't did my paperwork. I'm tired as hell. I always take notes, write, study, read. And when I took a break, got some tamales from a taco truck. He also had tamales, very good chicken tamales today. And I went over to the neighborhood Walmart. What pissed me off was they ran out of my men's stuff. Okay, men's magazine, healthy stuff, Survivor's Edge, gun magazines, truck magazines, bike magazines. Instead, I got a bunch of man bun socialist crap all over the place, which pisses the hell out of me. All right, don't like that stuff. I'm old school. It doesn't have a truck, doesn't have a motorcycle on it, doesn't have guns, doesn't have outdoor stuff. All I got left, I had to go to another place to pick up that one. All they have left is kids' books and weird cooking books. Not grilling, weird cooking or canning. Not canning, weird stuff. All right? It's like, all you marshmallow-headed Me Too movement women just ruined my magazine section. Ruined my morning completely. All right. Now, I do pickle hot dogs. I do pickle eggs. I do pickle watermelon rind. I pickle okra. Uncle An knows how to pickle. Uncle An knows how to dehydrate. Uncle An's pissed as hell. Okay? Uncle An knows water. A lot of you kids like, dude, I don't know, Uncle Al. Buy new lids and get the wide mouth and can water. Quart jar, quart of water. Stupid as hell, people. I'm tired and I'm sick as fuck. All right, I took this glass, filled it to the brim with 20 pills to keep myself alive. Not happy. And I don't want to hear any more trolls. N-O. Okay? You don't know what you're doing. You're going to get yourself killed. I know about water. I know where my water comes. I know what my water's in. I get tired. All right? My voice is giving out, so I use this thing. No! To tell people they're doing something wrong. All right? I know my area. I know Steve's area. All right? I got to do another video for modern refugee. Where did I put it? Modern refugee, Will Patriot, and AK Fab. You know, and people ask me, what are those lights over Michigan? They're drones, kids. Uncle Idle's way ahead of you. Yes, Hooples, I will cover some other stuff too. Don't forget, check out these guys. Lori Jean, Ming with Irish Colleen, Detroit Prepping, Andrew Hondo. Okay, enough with the gardening tools. Hubble's Cat, EPL, Jordan Jakenberg, always good material, and Nathan's 4071, very good videos. I haven't commented them because I have to do over 271 channels a day. That's a lot it takes me out, and plus I got my life, like potpourri prepper. I got a lot of work. I have grand nephews and nieces. I got stupid nephews and nieces. I got relatives always visiting my house because they don't want to spend the money for a good hotel. Okay, don't forget these guys and DOI Solar down below. And I'm going to make a new car to get rid of little Prepper Lady because she couldn't hack it and didn't have the balls. Don't forget just-in-time prepping tonight. Okay, sorry this is a long one. And please check out Corsair Chainers, GM Survival, and Happy Prepper. Okay? And yes, Steve, you could can the Concord grapes into juice. Of course, I make wine out of it, but that's a different story. Okay, you can it. If you know what you're doing, get a canning book and a pickling book. You can make jam out of it. Very good jam. Uncle Alan's tired and I gotta go. That's about it. Don't we have an ending or closure, Uncle Alan? No. I'm tired. Catch you later, kids.